Diyan na tayo na sa Wallmart. Yeah. Nice tayo ang car. Nanadainit guys. Manood na meron. Wait, first na. Home and pharmacy. Manood na mi. Whoa, look at those duck. We don't have coins. Oh, wow. That's so cute. Look at that unicorn. Come on. It's so cute. Yan na sa tagsun guys, no? Wow, luagan siya kayo. Ilang school supplies. Wow, na sila pang Halloween. Ilang pang Halloween. Wow. Ka-nice. Halloween decor na sila. Snack, look at those snack. Look at those dolls. Wow, 98 cents. So cute. Then this one. Ay naman yung daddy. Ay wala. Look at this. Whoa. Is that cute? Where is your daddy?
Mom.
Oh, nara day si daddy. Nana.
Mom.
Wow, nice ang mga decorations. Wow, ka mga cute. Mahal, look at those.
What do you like?
This one, it's cheap. It's like 98 cents. It's so cute.
You want it?
No, it's okay. We don't need decoration outside. Wow. No, wait, that one, unicorn. Unicorn. Mga pins. Subla na siya na sa pencil case. No? I don't know how much that one be.
Can we have some like glue sticks?
Whoa,
Mom,
isn't that cute?
like a bracer. Can we have some glue sticks?
Cute
Because
siya.
I'm out of glue sticks. Mom, can we have some?
Ano siya mga pa-art-art.
Mom, can we have two?
Okay, you get one. Modern siya din guys.
Why are you buying four?
What mo? Lamang school supply. Wow. Let's go in the other side na. Ang nawong sa bata. Nagmusgot. Nagpagumang gabi.
Let's go surprise. Go back.
Yeah, I know. Look.
One
Ang mahal.
Wow.
Wow. Kamahalan ni Uy. Wow, this one is so cute. Look at those.
Take one.
Watercolors.
Should we take one? So you can give
No,
it to
not.
your sister?
Oh my God. Where's your dad?
I have an idea.
Okay, wait. Guys, nandito sa ilang makeup, no? Mga mascara nila. Mga eyeshadows. I don't know, mahal. So what you get also you don't
Yeah, you an eyeshadow? One of these?
No, we already have her. This
Where?
one.
That's eyeshadow?
Yeah.
Oh, I
It's
got
like
one of these.
glittery. What
What's
is
this?
Oh, that's eyeliner.
Okay, what's this?
Something like for the eyes. Let's see on the other side of it. Makeup. Gusto kayo ng makeup. Tara. Everything here, makeup.
What else?
Nagdaan namin sa mga sapatos. Guess what? Mga sapatos, guys.
I got some slippers for you.
Ay, Jasmine! Look! Wow, clearance sila.
Not your size though.
What? It's like mahal. It's like 50 cents? I wonder what is it?
No, but they're all gone.
I don't know how to put it back. How to put it back? Wow, 50 cents.
They're flip flops.
Oh,
Huh?
Wala naman.
Yes, Jasmine. Yeah.
wow. Yeah, kang baby Rosella. Look at this. May mga boots sila, guys. Nice sila mga boots. Oh. Wow.
Maybe one more over.
One more?
Oh,
This one is $3. Wow.
those are flip flops, sweetie.
Come on, anak.
Like those are all too big, Jazzo.
Yeah, it's too big. Too big. The sandals. Mga
That's all you have to choose from. Look at this. Such a big selection.
wait.
What's that?
Guys, clearance siya daw.
What's that?
$1 lang.
Oh, hang it up there.
Let's
Can you grab one of those?
No.
Some on the other side too.
$1. Down?
Mommy, oh my goodness.
Yeah, I know. There's
This is Girlland. Boys, this is Girlland.
colorful.
There's more on the other side.
Mystic. So, pangalapit one. So, baby Rosella. Mandami lang siya, guys. No? So, nagtat na niyon. Yes, ano siya? May parapos. I know. Wow. Yeah. Mm. Kaya namin sa check out mo, so pwede rin sa ikaw po na check out. Hapit na may matima. After ano na muli namin. Ayan, tapos na. Tapos na. So, dairy na lang ta guys, no? Tapos, okay, mag-try daw may anak, be. If makakuha pa. Please. Uh-oh. Woo!
Stay on.
Woo! that's it right there.
They have all this money to get more.
What about the unicorn? You
The
cannot?
one inside the thing?
Yeah,
No, I
no?
won't do it because of that jar.
Wow. Wow. Oh, Daddy. You're so old.
That's what you got to watch for. They fall out. I don't see any more that I'm going to be able to do.
What about that one? The blue one?
The one that just fell?
That
I don't
one?
think I can. But I'll try. Yeah, I can't do it because we're on other things.
Okay.
I don't see another one I can try to get though. Let's see.
Maybe try the unicorn?
Ah, I messed that one up.
Wow, that's so cute. That's it?
Nope.
You still have more?
Yeah.
How many did you put?
All I had was a $5 bill, so I had to use that.
Ooh, please.
Stay on, stay on.
Oh my god! Oh my goodness, Jasmine! Look at here! Oh my god! Daddy, you're so good!
What's that?
Two sisters mermaid. We have a sister. We have a sister and a sister.
So you have 10 times to try because it's like 50 cents. Whoa! Oh my god, another one! Mahal! What about...
The police are gonna bust me for getting too many.
I know. Oh my goodness.
I messed that up.